Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your content on TikTok using filters and effects. So in this video, if you want to take your TikTok videos to the next level, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use TikTok filters and effects to elevate your content. So in here, let's just start by clicking on TikTok or open the TikTok application. And now let's just go straight to the TikTok camera by clicking on this plus icon to start creating a video. Okay, now you can see on TikTok, if you want to add effects or filter, you can easily do it in here. So this ones right here, these are the TikTok effects or filter that you can use. If you want to explore and view all of the available effects, you can just tap at the bottom, view all effects. Here you can see there are a few categories on TikTok. The trending one, create, new, AI, AI self, tool, funny, atmosphere, accessories, interactive editing, animals. Okay, there are lots of category that you can choose. For example, in here I'm going to just go with create. So in here you can also create effects on your own if you want to. Let's just use the trending one. I think here you can see there are lots of options that you can do. You can choose for your TikTok videos to enhance it. There's so the trending one, which show you effects regarding what's currently trend on the world, for example, such as the Squid Game filter or effects. You can just choose which one. So if you want to get more viewer, I suggest you to just use the trending one. For example, you can use the like this AI Squid Game, so you can change your face into a Squid Game player. Like this one, for example, I've already used the AI Squid Game and use a photo, so it will process my photos and to become a Squid Game player. You can just wait until the result came out. Okay, so now this is the result. If you want to use this effect, you can just join the trend by choosing this effects on your TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.